Hello and welcome back to this course. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the second part of the class. Now the first thing that you may got a question that why we don't write here private or protected. Why we only write here public. Now if we make it private then it is completely useless because nothing would have access to it. And so that's why we don't use private because nothing can access this class and we don't want to do it. And the second thing, why we don't make it protected. If we are allowed to make a class protected, then we can access it inside the package very easily. But for accessing that class outside of the package, we first need to extend the entity in which this class is defined, which is its package. And since a package cannot be extended, defining a class protected will be again making it package private, which is similar to defining it as default. So there is no benefit of making this class protected. I hope you understand why we don't use private and why we don't use protected, because we have no longer access to this class. And the second thing which I want to discuss in this video about the variables. Now these variables here are called the instance variables. And if I declare a variable inside the body of the function like int a, now this variable is local variable because this variable can only be accessed inside this function. It cannot be accessed outside the body of this function. And the third variable is called the class variable. When we create a variable using static keyword like static int phi, then this is a class variable. And we will discuss about this static keyword soon in this section. So these are the three variables that we have in class. The instance variables that are the just variables of the class, and the second is class variables which are created by using the static keyword, and the third one is local variable which are created or declared inside the function of that class. So you must know about these things. And one more thing, you can also initialize this variable like int name equals to, you can type here Java, and you can also concatenate here name concatenation name. And when you run this program, you will see name equals to Java. But this is not the best way to initialize the variable. We will use constructor to initialize our variables. We will discuss about constructor in our next video. So I think you understand. Now one more thing for OOP, that OOP has 4 pillars: polymorphism, inheritance, encapsulation and abstraction. We will discuss about all these pillars in our next videos. So I think you understand about the classes and the objects, and now you are able to create classes and objects by your own. So in our next video, we are going to discuss about the constructors, and we are also going to create a proper class and objects. So that's it for this video. I will see you in next video.